To everyone who has watched amazing projects on YouTube thinking, I wish I could do that. To everyone who dreams of one day becoming a great inventor, hobbyist, or professional with electronics. Stop beating yourself up. You're closer than you think. You already have the passion, you just need a little push in the right direction, a little bit of guidance. So you can take on this huge, overwhelming world of electronics, all the frustration and hours of feeling stuck, and cruise through it all in a fun, simple, and straightforward way. Design amazing projects from your own imagination, and be proud to show off your projects and watch your friends' faces light up when they see the amazing things you can create. Want to know how? Here's how it works. I've taken everything I've learned from teaching electronics to millions of readers all across the globe, from workshops I've done in places like rural Colombia to hip and trendy Berlin, from writing books that has been read by tens of thousands of people. I have designed the ultimate training to help beginners become inventors. Many topics in electronics are so big that they become overwhelming. There's just so much to learn that you don't even know where to start. That's where Practical Electronics for Beginners come in. I've broken everything down into bite-sized lessons, each leading to the next. So all you have to do is to start at the top and I'll lead you through it, step by step. In an ideal world, we would be building and learning electronics all day long. But realistically, that's not possible. So I made it my mission to handpick the most important lessons so that when you have the time to practice, you know you'll get the fastest result. You can find free tutorials online, but they often skip crucial details you need to understand things. Or they make you waste hours by going on and on and on about some little detail that you'll never need. That's why I've added weekly quizzes and practical experiments, with the option of submitting your work and have an expert give you critique, guidance, and feedback, so you know exactly what you need to be working on. Electronics is for everyone, and it takes a lot less time to learn than many think. You just need a minimum of structure. The key is to learn the right things in the right order. In addition to 8 weeks of lessons, students also have access to a private forum where they can discuss what they've learned and ask questions. The training starts with the absolute basics and leads you through the whole process step by step until you can design and build really cool projects on your own. Are you ready to become an electronics inventor? Join the training today and follow the lesson plan that's already worked for hundreds of students just like yourself.